apparently I haven't learned that my hair cannot have a veil piece, and I did it again. Hey guys, this is Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. And when I say welcome back, like welcome back. It's been way too long. Oh my gosh. Okay. So many life updates. I'm not in cosmetology school anymore. I left that to pursue tattoos, and then that didn't work out, although I'm still doing it on my own. But needless to say, long story short, I'm back here doing this with you full time, and which means I have more time to make videos, I have more time to edit, which means I will be back a lot more than what I have been. I know you guys missed me because I missed you too. Okay. Let's get into today's video. As you can see, I am back to being blonde. Now I have done a lot of layers in my hair, so it will be interesting to see how this turns out. And as always, I'm gonna go with it as we go because I don't have a solid plan in place. However, I am using as my base color because I've been wanting to use this for so long. It is Lunar Tides. This is the coral pink from Lunar Tides. I'm aware that's backwards, okay? And if you have not already tried them or heard of them, they're really only available online. It smells amazing. It's the best smelling hair dye I've ever tried. And of course, I have a discount code for you guys in the link in the description box below. Use that if you decide to try it. And of course, all the colors that I use will also be below. So today, in order to achieve what I want, I tested out some things on a paper towel, of course, so you could really see the colors. So I have my colors basically ready to go. My plan is to kind of do some blending. So I have my main pink, and I have, look, I got colors. And I have my main yellow, and the plan was to kind of blend that to make the orange, right? And it does, but I also have an orange as a backup in case I need that. And then we have our blue, which will blend into the yellow to make the green. Basic color theory. If you ever colored with markers, they blend. But anyways, and then here is the purple. So to use this, I have a mixture, an array of colors and brands. Well, really just, yeah, it's multiple brands. For the pink, I have Electric Paradise. And for the yellow, I have Lunar Tides again, and this is Neon Lemon for the yellow. And then for orange, I only have a little bit of this, but if needed, I can use it as well. This is the Iroiro Neon Orange for that. For the blue, I also did not have a whole lot of that left. So I combined what little blue I had. Again, Iroiro, we have Aqua Pastel, and we have blue. So this is what I have for blue, which is not a lot, which is why I'm not doing as much rainbow as I would like. And then for the purple, we have this one, which is Nightshade for the purple. Beautiful, beautiful. So the plan is to use the coral, the orangey pinky color on most of it, and then I'm gonna do some streaks of the rainbow in between. Maybe even if I can do like a full panel underneath of the rainbow, that would be awesome, along with some streaks somewhere in the middle. We'll see how that goes along the way and how much I have of the product, because I don't have a lot of blue. Without further ado, let's get this on my head. First, I need to change into a chitty turtle. A chitty chirp. Oh man, that's so funny. Okay, I'm gonna change into a shirt, get some gloves on. I'll be right back. All right, so also if you guys are interested in following me personally, you can add me on TikTok. I have a lot of hair transitions and things on there. Most of the time you get to see the hair before I post it on here. So if you're interested in that, I will leave that below in the description also, so you can follow me there, and all that. I have a bruise. Oh, that's sad. Okay. Next is sectioning. See what happens. I always like to start out with some pieces in the front, so I believe I'm gonna do something with rainbow in the front because that would be fun. And I purposely am gonna do an angle like this so that when it falls, it will kind of cover it, because a lot of times I do a side part. I know I'm old school like that. And then I'm gonna do this top part of it will be solid coral. All right, so we have our sections. Let me show you what I did. We have our front piece, we have the top. This is gonna be our veil piece. And then I have the middle. We'll see about that as you go. And then I have the bottom, which I'm actually going to really start on the bottom, but after I do this, because I'm very anxious to see how this rainbow is gonna turn out. So for that reason, I wanna start right here. In the front, I really wanna see it. So I wanna see it. This is very thick, so I'm gonna divide this into two and then go from there. So professional with my clips. So professional. So because I don't want it to all just be like boom, 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 like layers. I want it to be a little bit of like a cool diagonal effect. So in order to get that, instead of just going like straight like this, I want to hold it at an angle like this and then do it. And then when it falls, it will be a cool angle like that with it. So I am going to start out, you can generally start with whatever color you want at the top. You don't necessarily have to start with pink. However, since I am doing the rest of it, actually I should start with something different. I've decided. I'm going to start with yellow. So I'm gonna take our lemon, this looks so delicious. It looks like a lemon meringue kind of thing. So, okay, hold it at an angle and go with yellow. And make sure to saturate both sides. Ooh, she is highlighter yellow. How cool would this be as a whole hair color by itself? Never been super fond of the highlighter colors, but you never know. And then blue. And then that will blend into the yellow to create the green. In theory, that's so much. I put entirely way too much. Look at that. I am gonna put some orange at the end, actual orange. But I think that would be pretty. Okay. That is so pretty. I love it. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay, let's do the next one. TV magic. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, so what I did is, since generally when you do this type of hair, you start with one color and then you do it from the next. So I started with the yellow, so I did more of the green at the top layer. So we will see how that goes together. This is so pretty and I love it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do the top part. I'm really excited to go ahead and get this part on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the coral now and see how it looks. All right. The top piece is done. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead and do another layer, probably about this thick or so, right here, and hopefully I have enough to do it all the way around, and that will be a full layer of rainbow. So let's get that in. I did do this part right here to create a little bit of division between the rainbow sections. So there's like rainbow, coral, rainbow. All right, let's get her divided. All right, here's my section. I have my little layer going all the way around. This will be rainbow. Now for this one, I'm not gonna do the hollow type technique like I did up here. I'm just gonna do literal ombre. So I'm gonna do section by section as normal, except it's all gonna start at the same color at the top and then go down. Let's do the pink, because it'll be like a pink into pink, just like red, orange, yellow, whatever, like a normal rainbow color. So to start that out, this is obviously way too big of a section. Let's just speed this up. Just watch how I do. Watch the magic happen. Okay, this is what this section looks like right now. Okay, the coolest thing that I've seen so far is that surprisingly it does not take a lot of color to achieve this. Like, I still have a whole bowl of blue. Like, I have a large amount of blue left, which makes me think, can I do the rest of my hair like this? Because everything would be rainbow except for the top, which I'm kind of upset about now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and, I guess, put this whole section up so I can start working on the bottom half. And I'm gonna do the same technique, the little ombre thing, all the way around and fill this with rainbow. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna do section by section and do as much rainbow as I can. That's the plan. Oh. Okay, let's do it. Ta-da! Okay, I finally got everything in. Are you ready to see it? It's freaking beautiful. I was actually able, surprisingly, to do all the rest of it in rainbow. I'm so excited. Hopefully this doesn't cover it too much because this is gorgeous. So, also surprisingly, from that little bitty bowl of blue, I still have blue left. Very surprising. So I had more than enough to do everything. Let me show you what it looks like with the color in. I'm so excited! So I'm gonna wait about an hour or so. Technically processing is 30 minutes. I like to leave it an hour. So I'm gonna, be back with the final results. Ta-da! Okay. The colors turned out so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, let me show you the back. I did a thing. So if you saw a video that I did recently where it was like blue and black, and I did a veil piece, and apparently I haven't learned that my hair cannot have a veil piece, and I did it again. So the problem is, I have layers, lots of layers, and then on top of that, I also have a lot of broken pieces in the back. So a veil piece is not really a veil piece on me, it's just broken pieces. So it doesn't look right. However, with it curled, it's not so bad. But so the top color, this coral color, is freaking gorgeous. I love it. It's probably one of my new favorite colors that I've ever done, and I would probably like to see my whole head like that. I think it's just such a pretty color. All right, here's the back reveal. So you can see the top part, you can see where the paint kind of covers it some on the side. But then in the back, there's just not a lot of coverage. It kind of goes down like this. So that's definitely disappointing. I think the curls kind of hide it a little bit. But overall, I think it's beautiful. I love the colors so much. I would also like to do this with the holographic style instead of doing full ombre like that. I just think there's some things I would definitely change, but it turned out really well. So as I said before, all the products and colors I used will be in the description below. And don't forget to check out Lunar Tides and Iroiro. I have a discount code for those down below, so check them out. And oh, follow me on my socials, freaking duh. If you ever have any questions or anything, I do respond to all of your comments. So if you have any questions about hair, anything like that, always just leave a comment below or add me on social and you can just ask me there if you want a little bit more of a private kind of thing. So I will leave that information also below. Over on my TikTok, you probably already saw this. I do lots of transitions, little short hair dye videos, lots of fun, like personal stuff, I guess, if you're interested in that. A little bit of everything, so definitely add me on TikTok. We're having some fun over there. I do lives also, so that's fun. But yeah, so if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.